Hi, my name is Landon, and today I'm going to show you how to create a Zamplo account for your loved one. These accounts can be created for anyone in your life, whether it be a parent, spouse, or child. Creating a Zamplo account for a loved one will give you the ability to add, monitor, and track any relevant health data uploaded on the account, making organizing all forms of health data easy and efficient for you and the loved one the account has been created for. Consider this. You have a young child with some health concerns, and you need to be able to easily manage all their health documents and keep track of things like vaccines that they've taken, checkups they've had, or any other relevant medical information need to be documented. Creating a Zamplo account for them will give you the ability to do just that, while additionally allowing you to add multiple individuals to have access to and view the account as well. When that child is of the right age, you can then give them the account so they can continue to use it. Here's how you can create the account. First, everything in Zamplo is associated with an email address. So the loved one you are making an account for will need an email. If they already have one, great, that email can be used. If not, an email will need to be created for them. Once you have an email created for your loved one, go to our website and find the Sign Up for Free button in the top right corner of the menu. You will be directed to the sign up page where all you will need to do is type in your loved one's name and email, and finally create and confirm a password for them. Just like that, you've created an account for your loved one. Once the account is created, you can then invite yourself or others to act as caregivers for the account by sending an invite to your personal email. This is how both you and your loved one will get all the benefits of Zamplo. Whether you are making this account for a child, a parent, or any of your pets, keeping track of their health data will be much easier.